So this warning light appeared on my dash of my Volkswagen Transporter T5. As you can see, it tells me there's an ABS problem and the anti-skid is also illuminated. So 90% of the time this is actually going to be one of the wheel sensors which is misreading, so that's why it flags up these two lights. So I put this on the diagnostic, and the diagnostic came up and told me it was the left rear sensor that's faulty, so I'm going to replace that sensor now. So the wheel's off. Let's try and get the camera in here to show you what the wheel sensor is. This is the connector off the wheel sensor down here. So this is the connector on the wheel sensor. You just press this lever down here and pull it off. Easy to get a screwdriver in to do that. Once it's removed, it's then one Allen screw out, and then this should pull out. They always stick, so you've got to try and waggle them a bit, play around with them, and then eventually out they come, and there's the sensor out. You can't go wrong with these sensors in terms of plugging them back in, because it's got a flat side and a curved side. So once the sensor's back in the wheel, it's a simple job of just reconnecting them. Go, little click, now it's all done. So just a case now of refitting the wheel, and the diagnostic on the actual dash, the actual error lights should automatically switch off. Right, let's see if it clears. Ignition on, lights on. Yeah, all cleared, also all ready to go. Job took about 7 minutes, so give yourself maybe a bit longer in case the actual wheel sensor is a bit stuck, but other than that, a quick and easy job to do yourself. Thanks for watching.